Hi Dressy Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw Halsey from her music video Boy with Love with BTS. So let's get started. To draw Halsey, we're going to first start by drawing her face. So right here I'm going to start and draw basically the bottom of a U. So I'm just going to come to the other side right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and connect it. There, so a nice bottom of a U in for her face. Let's bring this up a tiny bit more. And from there, in this area where I started, really close to that line because she has her hair parted in the center, it's really close to her eyes. I'm going to draw a circle. So right here. And we do the same thing on the other side. Really close to that line. And let's make them jaw set cute eyes. So I'm going to come in here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. So thank you for all your requests to draw Halsey, and I hope you guys love this little outfit from her BTS video I'm giving her. And I'm so excited because I'm going to Wango Tango and she's gonna be there. So I'm so happy that I'm gonna get to draw her for you guys. And the lines at the bottom. So I can't wait to watch her perform. Okay, so now we have our eyes, and let's come to the side right here. And we're just gonna draw some lashes. Nice long lashes. I'm just going to thicken them up, just two, and same thing over here. So pop them out and another one, and from there let's come to the center towards the bottom right here and just give her a smile. So about right here, and cap it off. And then let's give her, well, before we draw her brow, because it's also close to her hairline, let's finish her face. So let's come in here, we're just gonna imagine kind of like an oval. So just kind of go like this, imagine this oval. So then say about right here, towards the center, I'm just gonna give myself a point. And from there I'm gonna start, this is where her hairline, I'm gonna go up a little bit and come down. And same thing over here. And come down. Okay, so now we can draw her brows. So come about right here, and we're just gonna go slight angle and then down. So same thing over here. Slight angle and down. So you can come in here and thicken them up if you like. Oops. There. Okay, so now that looks better, right? So let's come up here. We're going to just give yourself a little line lightly, come up a tiny bit more, about right here, and we're going to draw her hair. So I'm going to go up on both sides a little bit, and I'm going to start to come down. So it's not very poofy, so it's pretty close to her face right here. So just coming down the curve. And before I finish the rest of her hair, let's just, we need to draw her outfit first. So let's come back to where her face is, and let's draw her neck. So nicely in the center, about right here. I'm going to give her a little neck, and I'm going to bring this down. I'm going to curve it out because I know I'm going to be drawing this cover that she's wearing. It's like the shirt, shawl thing that she's wearing. I don't even know what to call it. But it's very sheer and see-through. So right here, let's come up right here on both sides. It'll all make sense once we put it together. So then about right there, we're still imagining her shoulder. So let's come down right here. And I'm going to bring this part down. So just bear with me here as we build this outfit of hers. So same thing on this side. This is just the tricky part right here. So we're just going to build this two-piece. And let's imagine her shoulder is still coming out. So about right here, pop out her shoulder. So same thing, just kind of pop out her shoulder. Now it's going to make sense a little bit more. And let in right here, add a curve so that it looks like it's going over her shoulder. Okay, I hope that wasn't too difficult. So then in between right here, let's just draw a curve, give her a neckline. And let's start to bring this down more. And bring this down. Okay, so I'm going to stop about right there. I'm just going to imagine her top. So I'm going to say about right here. I'm just going to add a little curve. So this is her top. And then I'm going to come in here and draw another curve going the other way for her shorts. Give it a little trim. And let's see, then start to bring this down more. And on this side, I'm going to draw the actual shorts, this side of it. So I'm going to pop it out. More of a curve. So notice this is straighter and this is more curved out because this part comes out and this is covered by the this shirt. So before we finish all of that, let's find our center. So about right here. And I'm just going to go straight down. And before I finish that, I'm going to imagine these shorts are going this way. So go about right here. Come down. So about right here, I'm going to part it with two small angles. And then I'm going to bring this up. So let's bring this down more. And I'm going to go up. And finish her short. So about right there. And it's come in here with some curves because they're kind of poofy. Okay, so then from there, let's draw her legs. So it's going to come from here on both sides. So about right here. And let's go straight down. And so we're getting thinner as we go down. So let's see here. About right there, I'll stop. And I'm going to cap them off. So I'm going to start to draw her socks. She's wearing tennis shoes. And cap it off again. And then let's draw her tennis shoes. So it's going to come straight down and then flare it out a little bit and connect. So I'm simplifying these shoes. So then just come in here and write two curves. So same thing, socks, curve, and once again come straight down and flare out. There. Okay, finally we have our feet in. So then now we can come back and complete all this. So let's finish this outfit right here. So we're going to continue this down. And it's going to flow pretty low. So about right here, I'll stop about right there. And I'm going to curve it in. And let's bring this line down. And so this side, let's see here. This side is going to be closer to her body. So I'm going to kind of tuck this as if it's tucked behind. And let's bring this down about right here. And I'm going to curve. Imagine this going through and just give it a little curve like that. So I hope now it makes sense, right? I hope so. Okay, so then from there, let's finally draw her sleeve. So let's start on this side for shoulder. Just come down. And see about right there, I'll cut it off. Her hands are going to be about in this area because this is where her hips are. So I'm just going to keep going now with her hand. So about this area. And see here. Right here, I'm going to draw a thumb. And I'm going to bring this in. Just kind of tuck it in. And then let's draw her fingers. Angle and tuck it in. And so then right in here, we're going to pop in a line and a circle for her lollipop that she has in the music video. I felt that was very necessary in this drawing. There. So now from there, you pop it out a little bit. Now her other hand. So same thing. Just going to next to her side. Just keep going down. This side I'm going to give it a little sleeve. I think it's different in the music video on both sides. I'm not sure, but this side I'm going to come about right here. Cut it off. Pop in the sleeve. And once again, her hands are going to be about in this area. So come down. Thumb. And fingers. So angle out a little bit and just bring it in. There. So now we have that in. Now let's draw her hair. So let's continue this curve coming down and out. Same thing right there. And let's finish her hair. Let's bring this down. It's pretty straight, so we're just going to curve it out a tiny bit, give it a little zigzag, and tuck it in. So on this side, I'm just going to have it come in like that. And last but not least, a little heart right here. So there, hope you loved my Halsey from her music video Boy With Love, and I made it easy for you to follow along. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.